how nice that look over there. So let's get into this one. You're gonna see how well it organized the kitchen, because the kitchen need some help right now because it's a small kitchen. So let's open this up, all right? Let's get into it. So you can see the top of it. See, this is what it looked like. Put together. Open this up. Different compartments. It's really nice. Okay, you see what it looked like now. That's what it looked like. Looks really bad, right? Love it. Look how much better that look, y'all. Can't tell me I don't look a whole lot better. Yeah, on TikTok probably. Shout out to TikTok. You saw how bad it looked before. It look a whole lot better now, right? Down here we got the taking you on levels. Down there we have, some plates. Keep on going down all the way to the first floor. So, just hiding everything, making room. Creating room in a small crib. This helps so much.